Sa video na to, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano kunin ang first 5 terms. A sub n equals negative 2n minus 5. To find the first term, we substitute 1. So, a sub 1 equals negative 2n minus 5. So, papalitan natin yung n ng 1. So, it becomes a sub 1 equals negative 2 times 1 minus 5. So, simplify, negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Therefore, we have a sub 1 equals negative 2 minus 5. Then, the answer is negative 2 minus 5. The answer is negative 7. So, ang a sub 1 natin is negative 7. Okay. To find the second term or a sub 2, isa-substitute natin ang 2. So, a sub 2 equals negative 2n minus 5. So, substitute 2 doon sa n. So, it becomes a sub 2 equals negative 2 times 2 minus 5. Then, simplify. Negative 2 times 2 equals negative 4. So, now we have a sub 4 equals negative 4 minus 5. So, a sub 2 now is equal to negative 4 minus 5 is negative 9. So, ang second term natin ay negative 9. Okay, next, to find the third term or a sub 3, isa-substitute natin ang 3. So, a sub 3 equals negative 2n minus 5. So, yung n, palitan ng 3, so it becomes a sub 3 equals negative 2 times 3 minus 5. Then, simplify, negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. So, it becomes a sub 3 equals negative 6 minus 5. And then, negative 6 minus 5 is negative 11. So, ang a sub 3 natin or third term natin ay negative 11. Okay, para makuha yung fourth term or a sub 4, we substitute 4. So, a sub 4 now equals negative 2n minus 5. So, papalitan natin ng 4 yung n. So, a sub 4 equals negative 2 times 4 minus 5. And then, simplify, negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Therefore, we have a sub 4 equals negative 8 minus 5. It is equal to negative 13. So, ang fourth term natin is negative 13. And to find the fifth term or a sub 5, we substitute 5. So, a sub 5 equals negative 2n minus 5. So, substitute natin yung 5 sa n. So, it becomes a sub 5 equals negative 2 times 5 minus 5. And then, simplify, negative 2 times 5 is 10. So, it becomes a sub 5 equals negative 10 minus 5. And the answer is negative 15. So, again, our fifth term is negative 15. Therefore, ang first 5 terms ng given rule or equation natin ay negative 7, negative 9, negative 11, negative 13, negative 15. Okay, so that's all for now. And thank you for watching. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Para po sa compilation ng video lesson ng Math 10, click nyo lang po ang playlist. Thank you!